my name is Guillaume. I work at Transmute, and today I'm going to show you Element, which is an implementation of the Side-Tree protocol that is based on IPFS and Ethereum. So this demo is based on elementdid.com, which is our publicly accessible node that we use for testing. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the My Did section, that is, and you can see what a resolved did look like. So you see the did, you see the public keys that are included in the did document, and you see the operations. So you can see that I just created the did prior to this video. We support options like adding keys, removing keys, but you can also edit your did document, and that allows you for more granular access over your did document. So let's say, for example, I want to remove a key. I can do that and submit the changes. So Ethereum transactions usually take a minute. So while it's anchoring, I'm going to show the other part of the app. The Explorer is a convenient feature that we built that allows you to see all the Ethereum blocks that contain a Side-Tree transaction. So let's say that you use our Element SDK in your backend, and you call element.createDid. Then you'll be able to see it show up here. You can see the Ethereum block that the transaction was included in. You can see the Ethereum transaction. And if you click on more details, you can see the anchor file, the batch file, all the IPFS hashes, and all the metadata that may be useful for you to debug. Yeah, so batch file, anchor file, which are Side-Tree artifacts, and then the payload of the Side-Tree transaction. We also have the did list, which is just the list of all the dids that have been resolved on the node. So you can see like what's the activity on the node and what kind of dids were created and the operations on those dids. Now, one of the cool features of Element is the browser node. So far the features we've seen use the Element API, which is basically the Element SDK that's behind an API that we host. But if you don't want to use that, you can use the browser node, which talks to Ethereum through MetaMask. So let's say, for example, I want to resolve a did. I can do it only through MetaMask. It's not going to talk to the API at all. And that means that if once you resolve a did once, so this one has a create and an update operation. Once you resolve a did once, you'll be able to resolve it offline against the browser cache, which could be useful. So let's head back to the My Did section to see if the update operation has anchored, and yes, it has just a minute ago. And you can see that the key that we just removed is not there anymore. Yeah, so again, the app is elementdid.com. Feel free to give it a try and create your did. And thank you for watching.